What a time the city of Paris had on July 1st, 2023. Hundreds of community members enjoyed water jumpers, food vendors, games, sports cars, and so much more. Let's hear from staff, the mayor, and a community member to see their take on this awesome event.
Hello, City of Paris. My name is Arsenio Ramirez, Assistant Director of Community Services. I come to you from the beautiful Morgan Park, where the city is hosting their first annual 4th of July celebration. We have a movie in the park, The Sandlot, and at 9 p.m. our fireworks go off.
Hey Paris, this is your Mayor Michael Vargas. I'm at Morgan Park for our first inaugural fireworks show. This is spectacular. It's a real noisy right now. They're getting ready to start a movie. We had water jumpers, we got vendors, we got food. Hey, this is an awesome first time, and I'm very happy we're able to bring this to our community.
Great time. The kids are enjoying themselves. But they were good. Just happy to be here amongst fellow Paris residents.
Light it up, Paris!
This is Serena Marie reporting for PTV. We'll see you next time, Paris.